Hey viewers, let us set up our vSocial tick client and demo application. Step 1 is download and install XAMPP. You can download the XAMPP from this for Windows host machine. XAMPP will be used for hosting the web application of vSocial and any other test applications. After downloading, you have to install it by default. Once installed, you can open the control panel. You can see here go to the Apache config and http.config file, search for listen 80 and then replace listen 80 with listen 81. So this is the port where we will host our web application. Okay, and once it is done, save the configuration file. Now download the vSocial desktop application. You can go to GitHub, this provided URL. Either you can click on view raw or you can click the options and download. Once download is complete, you can install it from wherever you have downloaded the executable file. During installation, sometimes what happen, you may get one Windows Defender prompt like this. So in that scenario, just click on more details and run anyway. It will install the vSocial Tick client. Follow the UI instructions. Click next, yes, wherever prompted. So you can see it is opening another prompt. You have to just click on next. Once the installation is complete, the vSocial Tick client portal will open. We'll wait for some time. Yes, so this is the Tick client app. Here you have multiple options. Before exploring that, we have to go back to our XAMPP control panel and start the Apache server as well as the MySQL instance. So you can see Apache is running on, server is running on 81 port. So close the portal, control panel, come back to the client, vSocial. Here we have web app deployment. This is one-time activity for the first time when we are doing deployment. Click on this deploy web app. Wait for some time. It will create all the necessary folders and databases. You can see. So it will host within XAMPP. So you can see the files are put into XAMPP and the databases are created. After that, you can access the app from this page itself, web app, or you can go to main home page. From there, we have two different portal. One is admin portal, which is on this tick client itself. So if you click on admin portal, it opens login page of admin on the tick client where admin functionalities can be done, or we can go to access web app from the tick client and web application will be opened. Here we have so many different functionalities of the vSocial app where we can do our testing. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts or queries, drop a note.